What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and follow me on both of my social media links, both Instagram and Snapchat, to keep up on what's going on. In today's video, we are finishing up the Stratified 4-port aux fuel along with the zietronix ethanol content sensor. I had to order a quick disconnect bar from Amazon, and it finally came in today. I ordered it yesterday when I found out that, hey, the kit's not exactly complete, so it's here today. Pretty quick processing. Amazon shipped it out on a Sunday, and it got here Monday, so pretty good service from them. And this barb right here is what you have to purchase. It does not come in the zietronix kit, so if you plan on doing this, make sure you order that and be prepared. Alright guys, as you see, the intake's already off because we got to get back here to the fuel lines. We got wiring everywhere. It's a mess right now, but we will get it done. Alright guys, this is pretty much where I'm at so far. I'm just kind of trying to figure out how I'm going to route these. Alright guys, so the next step was to pull the fuse. I believe it's position 56. We did that. It killed the fuel. Now it's time to start removing fuel lines. Alright guys, so I have all the fuel lines ran from here down to the block down there, which is a T. It's kind of hard to do it on camera. It's a little difficult to see everything, so I apologize. Ethanol content sensor is right here, mounted to the side of the battery box. All I have left is put the intake in. And as you see, it's reading E29. I have an E30 mix, so it's pretty close. Alright you guys, the install is all done. The Stratified 4-port extra fuel, auxiliary fuel, whatever you want to call it, along with the zietronix ethanol content sensor. A little time consuming, but worth it in the end. Hopefully this video has helped you with the install. If it has, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. And of course guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm out. Yeah, bro.